Hello, you lot.
Hello, you lot. All right.
You alright?
Oh, we got an extra person today.
Tell me out.
This is Michael.
Hi.
Hello.
Michael is getting us into all sorts of bother.
See, I keep sending Ben links to cars that I think he should go and have a look
Go and have a look at this. Go and have a look at that. I'm like, oh, ignore Michael, ignore Michael. But this morning,
You couldn't ignore him.
I couldn't.
Couldn't do it.
I'll send you a link to a Porsche 924.
I'm tired of the beach. Let's do something else. I'm tired of the snow. Let's do something else. I'm tired of the desert. Let's do something else.
Next, you'll be getting tired of me.
You? Maybe. Your Porsche? Never.
Whatever you do in California, do it with a Porsche 924. Nothing even comes close.
Which is effectively a Volkswagen.
1979,
79, I think it is.
Because I know loads about these, and I have not ever been on Wikipedia about half an hour ago. I've always known this. So the Porsche 924 was a preemptive hit when Volkswagen realised they wanted a sports car in that sector, right?
They came together with Porsche because Porsche needed to replace the 914, and so they got together with Volkswagen, who at that time it was the oil crisis. So they're thinking, we need to produce an economical
You've read
sports
Wikipedia
car.
too.
Well, I have actually owned 5 Porsche 924s.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Ah, fine.
So
That's a good set of knowledge
I know
there.
my Porsche 924s.
Does that mean you're quite happy to crawl underneath this
Yeah, I
car?
will crawl underneath it. I know where to look. I know where they rust.
Okay.
We got an expert
And
here.
yeah,
He's like our trump card, our very own trump card. Just to let you know, Michael's massively hungover.
yes.
I was massively hungover yesterday. Adam will be massively hungover tomorrow. We like to do things
the
in
plan.
threes.
Yeah. It's
All
like
the
a relay
best
race.
decisions are made when you are hungover.
Yeah. And so that's why we thought this is the right time to go and look at this when none of us are thinking straight.
Fantastic. Let's
Okay,
check it out,
go.
boys.
We're sorry, we know it's windy, guys. We might put a little bit of underneath so you can tell what the hell we're saying. But you're probably better off not hearing what we're saying because we talk a load of crap anyway. Simon.
Well, hello, Simon.
Jeffro.
Jethro.
It's really Jethro's car. He wants to learn to drive.
Good car learning.
Come on, tell us about what we're looking at.
Okay, well, you guys probably also know your stuff, but this is an Audi engine, and
You're
that's,
gonna have to shout.
that's as much as Porsche did. They designed the inlet manifold, but that is your Audi engine, a Volkswagen lump, same one used in an LT van.
And Simon, you said you've had loads of LTs.
I've blown up a few LTs before.
That's what they do,
This one
isn't
hasn't
it?
blown up yet, so that's a good start.
This is where Michael messaged me this morning. Bear in mind, as I said earlier, he is quite hungover, which meant he found the listing when he was drunk and thought it was a good idea. Do you, in the light of day, we've only just popped the bonnet, are you still thinking?
I still love a 924. I'm a sucker for a 924.
That's almost enough of a reason to kind of go, whoa, that's going.
It's the hat.
Hold on to your hats,
Easy.
boys and girls. Like that. Go and
I'm
jump
going to
in.
start laying underneath it first. Shall I lay
Have a
underneath
quick
it
look at
first?
It looks
Yeah,
I'm gonna get on my
down
back.
there.
He wouldn't really want to drive this. The brakes are really binding. Yeah, I thought it was going to set fire to that bush there. Too much rust under there?
You shouldn't find too much rust because these bad boys were galvanised in the factory.
Really?
Yes,
Yes.
that's right.
That's why the 924
Post
doesn't normally
76,
rust.
yeah.
So what are you seeing?
I'm seeing, what I would expect to see on a 924.
Okay, which is, come on.
Okay, so the seals ordinarily can be quite rusty, but they're not too bad. They're not too bad. I know they've got some kind of covering over them, but they're not horrific. Early 924s do not have a spoiler. The spoiler came in about 1982.
Can you hear this?
Man's got the knowledge.
But these cars are brilliant to drive because it was designed to have near perfect 50-50 weight distribution with the engine and the gearbox at the back. So you can absolutely throw these cars around corners. They are brilliant. They handle... Oh,
But rear wheel drive with a big lump in the
Passionate.
front, isn't that just idea for putting it in the hedge?
you can do. Have you ever seen anything looking so
I
smooth?
Rat infested.
That is just like a big acid trip, isn't it? Those seat covers.
I've had a 911 with
So the early 924, which this is, had a manual pop-out roof rather than an automated pop-out roof. So this is a manual pop-out.
It certainly is, yeah.
So this is escape hatch as well. When it all goes pear-shaped, or you drive down the lane that's too narrow, you can go, this, I'm getting...
Right, so what are we doing? We firing
Well,
it
Shall we
up?
try and
I'll
start
tell you what,
it?
well, I've got an idea. Simon, why don't me and you have a little chinwag over here for a sec?
Yeah, there you go.
We'll have a little look
Let me
around.
try and fire this thing up. So I just
All right,
climb
boys.
over.
Let's give it a go.
I've just gone back into a 1980s smoky
Is it taking
gentleman's club.
Taking you back.
It is. Oh, that smell, it's just... Oh, wonderful.
Oh God, that is low.
Yeah, they are beautiful.
Oh, this is a vibe.
She washes in neutral. Ooh,
Something.
something she wants to go. Ooh, let's see if the electric windows work. Yeah.
So the deal was on the base
It
that
starts.
it started.
It does
and
start.
Just started. So I think, Simon, we bought a car. Okay.
It's done.
Jesus Christ.
That's how.
Wow.
Right, I'll
That's
see you
how it
back
happens.
at the works, guys.
Oh yeah.
Back. Oh my God, it's got a mind of its own.
Still going.
It's. I'm not doing it.
No feet on the accelerator.
What have you done, man? I haven't done anything. I promise. But can we see if the headlamps work? Look.
Yes, we love it. We love it.
It's idling very high.
Yeah, very high.
That's all there. You don't have any service though.
You're gonna be all right. Hang on, something's missing, isn't it?
Yeah. Lovely Porsche badge for you there. Pride of place.
Somewhere there. Maybe we'll put a little VW there. Put a little VW.
Little VW. Or Audi. Put some Audi. 'Cause technically,
yeah.
An Audi
Yeah.
with the four rings there.
A little bit of everything.
But look, you can see the original decal down the side, really faded. But you can get those remade.
Yeah, we can replace that. We can replace that. That's doable.
That's got to be done. Have a look, shall we? Let's pop her open.
So we got any goodies in the back?
Spare wheel. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's
there.
called a spider alloy wheel. Or tarantula.
Ah, okay.
Tarantula.
Yeah,
I
that's a
think it
vibe.
is.
So we've got 8 legs. Yeah.
Yeah. Ordinarily, you would have a retractable pull-out parcel shelf.
Yeah.
That would clip in there and there. But sadly, we are left with
Just the
carcass.
shell. Bonus. Ooh, hello.
I think there might be
Interesting.
a bit of that in the old
Good to know.
arches.
Got
got to love a bit of rattle can paint.
Oh, a bonus
What
portable charger, I think.
What is that? Oh well.
Look at that. Wonder if they came with. Is
Every
that
little
factory?
helps.
Do you think? Is that factory?
Oh yeah, optional extra. Just look in the glove box.
What we got?
Some general detritus.
Yeah.
Fuel pump relay or flasher relay. Oh, the original cigarette lighter. I think that is actually the old seat.
There, eh?
It's the old seat material. I think we could salvage that.
Yeah, it's usable.
Bullet fuses.
Uh-huh.
I bet you've seen those in a few other Volkswagens.
Mostly in glove boxes.
You can tell this is a Porsche because you've got a light in the glove box.
Classy.
Look at
That is classy.
Yeah, amazing. You enjoying the low slung position?
It is reclined.
Yeah,
This is nice. I feel this is the coolest vehicle I've ever been in.
it is.
I feel way cooler than I should.
Super cool. I say,
cool.
when this old girl fires up and you start driving, you're going to love it.
I probably will.
Any
I
other
probably will.
car
I'll be
you
taking this one
drive
home.
after this will just feel inferior.
It just won't. Yeah. What size was the engine?
So it's 2 litre.
It's a solid 2 litre.
That's the standard 2 litre engine.
We'll get you going though.
Fast enough and scary enough.
yeah, I'm sure. Especially when Ben's driving. You have got some back seats as well, except
Yeah, for people who don't have any legs.
yeah. No,
Try it for size.
Oh, is this your travel van now? Is that what you decided?
this is the bed.
You're not going to go camper vanning instead? Look at that.
He hasn't got along with it.
Right. See you later, mate.
The car is actually 1 year older than me.
guys.
Brilliant. All right, guys. Good luck with it.
And you
And
guys.
we'll
Cheers,
speak soon.
boys. Lovely.
See you later.
Lovely meet
Bye.
you. So,
Uh-oh. That's it.
uh-oh, he's bought another one.
Uh-oh. This is the danger of drinking on the day before you go and look at something.
Oh, no.
Michael.
Yeah, it's all my fault. I will take full responsibility.
Quite good
for
fun,
this
eh?
trip.
As long as
But
he
you
gets
are
to drive
going to
it.
have so much fun with this. You will go, Michael. I'm so pleased. You
Well, it's
sent
going to
me
be
the link
there.
to
Michael,
this car.
it'll be your week, one of your weekend rides as well, won't it?
Jammy.
We got his diggy clutch.
I'll climb out the window.
Dukes of Hazzard style.
Trapped.
No, this
Go on, do it.
Nice work.
Even with a flat tyre.
Very good.
I now remember why I love these cars so much. So many parts of this are VW parts. You'll find VW prints on everything. Look, even the handles. Look at the handles. There, Beetle handles. Oh, no, Golf handles. This is,
Look, didn't it suit it with a little caravan on the back?
That's it.
That's the keeper, actually, to go off on a little tour with your Porsche and your caravan.
Porsche in the puck. Oh, here we go.
This.
and then that just slides backwards out. You've got a little diffuser. Who needs a convertible when you've got virtually your entire roof missing? What is there not to like about this car?
So is this one that we're going to rally?
Whoa.
Yes.
Whoa.
This is a great rally car. These are racing cars because of that 50-50 weight distribution. They handle brilliantly. People race these cars.
We've come away with another vehicle.
Yeah.
What? We're supposed to be getting rid of it, aren't we, Ben? Getting rid of vehicles? No, we'll just fill them up. So this is a lesson, guys. This is a lesson on how not to buy a car. No, this is very much how to buy a car.
Yeah.
Get hungover. Do it hungover. Do it with a mate who knows a lot about it.
Have you got any paracetamol there?
Yeah, you're going to be all right. You okay?
Right, I'm doing well. Michael needs a bit more passion than me today.
Or hair of the dog.
Hair of the dog.
Hair of the dog.
Pub?
Yes. Decide what you're going to do with this. Are you going to keep it original? Are you going to do a sympathetic
Well, no, but this is over to you
resto?
now. This is over to you now. So you're saying what we should do with it. You're the one that got us into this.
Don't do the ordinary.
It's very true.
This is the opportunity to do something that nobody else has done to a 924.
It did drive in here, didn't it?
It drove in here of its own accord.
Not like Knight Rider. Hello, Michael. We have Michael. We have Kit. It's the wrong colour.
Remember to
Just say no.
Just say no.
like, comment, and subscribe.
To drugs, children.
And that.
And 924s.
And Michael's text messages, WhatsApps. Ignore them.
Find out what we do with it next time.
Leave the group.
That's it. See you soon.